Dear honorable viewers and students also, on behalf of my channel, thank you so much. And I will say this channel is bound, that this channel is trying level based to serve quality education for all. And that's why I'm here with you. Transformation of sentences, complex, simple, and compound. Actually, it is very important subject, topic in English grammar, and most of the students are afraid of it. They sometimes are not able to understand how complex it is to simple or compound like this. So I'm here with you some easy tips I would like to share. Okay, uh, let's start. Okay, transformation of sentence, complex, simple, and compound. Already I've discussed some easy tips, and now again. Okay, let's start. Here the sentence is if if you do not work hard, if you do not work hard, you will not shine. You will not shine in life. Shine in life. This is a sentence. You see, this is a sentence, a complex sentence. And it is conditional sentence, a novel. And if added complex sentence and if added clause negative. Already I have perhaps told you that if added clause negative, if added clause is negative, then we must use without plus gerund in order to simple sentence without plus gerund. Okay, now let's start. You see, do not without plus gerund. Without plus gerund. We should make it silent. Okay, without working hard, without working hard, you will not shine in life. You will not shine in life. Okay, without working hard, you will not shine in life. This is a phrase and this is a clause. You know well that only in a simple sentence there is only a one clause, and another maybe phrase. It's a phrase and it's a clause. With a phrase, a clause, it's a simple sentence. Okay, without working hard, you will not shine in life. As if added clause is negative. As if added clause is negative. So we must use without plus gerund. So without plus gerund, without working hard, you will not shine in life. Here gerund means ing added verb. Okay, you are working. Without working hard, you will not shine in life. Okay, this is simple. And if we make it compound, already I have told you, if added clause is negative, must use without plus gerund. But in order to compound, you must use what? Or will be added while making compound sentence. Okay, now we'll work Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Or you will not shine. Shine in life. Without working hard, you will not shine in life. Work hard or you will not shine in life. Here you see there is no subject. There is no subject here. There is no subject here. But why? This is a complex sentence and this is an imperative sentence as well. Because here you see subject you. In imperative sentence, you see sometimes subject is silent. Subject you is silent. So here subject is silent. Subject is silent. Because I am telling you directly, work hard or you will not shine in life. I am telling you directly. You are in front of me and I am telling you here, work hard or you will not shine in life. So here subject is you, silent, and it is not needed here. Okay? So in this set, I will always to make complex into simple and compound. Okay? Bye. Thank you.